everyone, it's Miss Tammy again. So this is for the April 5th message. We're going to be doing the Easter message, and I'd like to let everyone know that the puppets are my kids, John Foster and Selah Foster. Selah is in TNT. So we're going to start doing with the puppet show. So everybody, let's get started. Hi, Cubbies. Are you ready to see Cubby Bear? Let's call them out together. Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Cubby!
Hi, Cubby. Cubby.
Hi there, Cubby. What's that in your palm?
This is a flower. It's springtime at the farm. The weather is getting a bit warmer. Trees are starting to get their leaves, their flowers blooming just like this one.
Wow, that's a very pretty flower.
Hi, Cubby Bear. Hi, Cubbies.
Sneeze.
Achoo!
Oh my, Lovey, what's the matter?
I love it when springtime on the farm, but sometimes my nose itches and I sneeze when I get too close to flowers.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Lovey. I'll put my flower away so it doesn't make you sneeze.
Thanks, Cubby.
So what kind of things are you guys doing in the farm now that it's getting warmer?
I'm excited because it's time to get the ground ready for planting. Timothy's mom is busy preparing the soil in her garden. Then she'll plant seeds.
What kind of seeds is she planting?
So don't move your arm. Let's see. There are broccoli seeds, carrot seeds, and squash seeds.
Wow, it sounds like Timothy's mom is going to be really busy this year in the garden.
Yes, seeing the seeds grow up out of the ground and become plants make her very joyful because she knows she'll have good food for their family.
Yum, I think the food Timothy's mom grows is worth getting excited about, especially because I get to eat some of it at the petting zoo.
Well, what's going on at the petting zoo?
Well, there's a new zookeeper helping Timothy's dad. We don't know him very well yet. Sometimes he calls us for to come, but I don't recognize his voice yet, so he has to call for us a couple times. But he's very nice and loves all of us.
Well, that's exciting. It's always fun to meet new people.
Oh yes, and there's a lot to do. The petting zoo is getting cleaned and ready for people to come visit. All our homes are getting washed out and we're getting new straw.
Wow, there's definitely a lot to be joyful about this spring, isn't there?
Yes, there is. Well, I'd better get going. There's a lot to do right now.
Yes, and I'll better get back to the petting zoo so I can enjoy my fresh, clean home.
Okay, well, we'll see you both soon. Have a great day. Bye,
Bye.
Cubbies.
Bye,
Bye,
Cubbies.
Lovey.
See you next time.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.